Hi guys, welcome to our gold price daily analysis. Today is Wednesday, the 6th of February 2019. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember, always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber to our channel, welcome aboard and thank you for trusting us as one of your partners in your journey towards success and financial liberty. As a new subscriber, it may concern you to understand that this analysis has four main phases. Phase 1 is a recap. In this part of our analysis, we do discuss what we have already pointed out in our previous videos. Part 2 is fundamental analysis. In this part, we do highlight the most important fundamental news that we do believe it's going to have a significant impact on the price action of the gold. Part 3 is technical analysis, and we do talk about technical indicators which may have an impact on the price of the gold. Phase 4, levels to watch. In this part, we do define the price levels the yellow metal is expected to be trading within. We have already added two new features to our daily analysis. The first feature is the frequently asked questions, and in this part we are going to provide answers for the questions we receive from you guys. This part will be the first to start with before the analysis. The second feature is the trading hint, and in this part we are going to teach you a trading technique, including things that you have to do and things you should avoid. This part will be taking place right after the analysis. As of our usual start, we are going to start with the frequently asked questions. We have two topics to talk about today. The first one is that we have received so many compliments today from you guys. Thank you so much for those sweet words. They are truly rewarding. We are really pleased to know that our daily analysis of gold meets your needs and fits your taste. The second topic is that we have received some questions from other subscribers whom they still have open short positions from 1280 to 1290. Those positions or those questions were basically like, what do you advise us to do? At the first place, I would urge you guys to watch our videos again and again. We have never advised selling the gold. We do just mention the price levels by which selling gold won't be a disaster for you, and it's always followed by a statement like not recommended. However, we don't turn anybody down here, but guys, you got to understand one thing, that we don't have information about your account. We don't know how many lots are sold. We don't know what is your financial capacity to tolerate losses. This makes the advice a little bit hard. And one more consideration, that here at the coach we have at this particular time a positive perception for the gold price. We do believe that gold price is going to appreciate in the midterm, and not to repeat ourselves and to save the time for the other subscribers, we urge you guys to go watch our videos, the previous videos, to understand those reasons. The advice basically from our side, what you can get from our side, is that we advise you to close the short positions at levels from 1300 to 1309 if possible. We don't see these numbers coming back again, but if that happened, please close your short positions and shift long, target the 1340, and hopefully if the market went as we do expect, you shall recover your losses. And this is for the frequently asked questions. We are going now to start our daily analysis. The first part of our daily analysis, as you know guys, is the recap. We are going to talk in the recap about the points that we have highlighted in our previous video. What we said in our previous video, that the US dollar is expected to stay within a tight trading range, and that's what happened most of the time today. We said that ISM non-manufacturing PMI along with other important releases are going to leave an impact on the price of the gold. Those releases came and they were negative for the dollar, but dollar was still under demand because of the boost in the equity market. We expected gold to be under pressure but not to fall, and gold did not fall. We said if you are long on gold, stay long, target 1340 and protect your account up to 1300. This is for the recap. We're going to move now to the fundamental news, what the market has to give to us tomorrow, and it will have impact on the price of the gold. There is US important data release will be taking place tomorrow, or today. These releases are important to give some clarity about the direction of the market. Those releases includes the trade balance, exports, building permits, which is very important, and core retail sales, very important, housing starts, and core durable goods orders, very important, retail sales, very important as well. We are talking now about technical analysis. Trading range was 1,310 to 1,316. Numbers are rounded. Gold printed a higher low, that's good, and the market is still open. Our perception of the gold moving toward 1,340 and more is still valid, and we consider the price action in the recent sessions as healthy. Gold is expected to be into consolidation because the market is still indecisive. We expect gold to trade from 1,308 to 1,333 as the big range. The trading strategy is, if you are long, stay long, target 1,340 and protect yourself up to 1,300. If you are short, make up your mind, and if you want to take our advice, close these short positions at good numbers. The levels 1,304, 1,308 is good levels to buy, though we don't expect to see these prices. But if it happened, and if in order to happen, there should be, the expected to be released data from the US has to be above the forecast, big time. Okay, it has to be impressive to move the gold this much. The levels 1,333 to 1,335 are good levels to sell if you want to sell, but we don't recommend you to sell. Levels to watch to the upside, we have 1,317, 1,326, and 1,333. To the downside, we have 1,308. There's a support here, 1,304. There is a support here also, and 1,300. There is a support here. 1,300, if it happened, the gold went there, that will be a battlefield. That won't be easy to be break. We are going to talk today about, in our trading hint, about something new, the trend. Trend is something important you have to know about as a trader, as a forex trader. Trend, for the definition, it's the general direction of the market or a particular security price, like a stock or currency or a bond. A trend is one of the most important elements for technical analysis, guys. And the trend line, in order to understand the trend, you have to understand the trend line, or you have to understand how to draw the trend line. The trend line, you draw it by connecting a line from the highs and the line from the lows. Okay. There is something to measure the strength of the trend line, which they call it RSI, Relative Strength Index. Okay. If this number, okay, you can see it now on the screen, the down part of the MetaTrader screenshot. You can see if it's near to 70, it's bullish. If it's above 70, overbought. If it's near to 30, it's bearish. If it's under 30, it's oversold. These are important indicators to measure the strength of the trend line. Maybe also, guys, you have heard me talking, okay, about like gold printing higher high. This is, I'm taking it as a good signal that the gold is trending up. Thank you guys for watching our video today. Please like, share, and subscribe this video. Subscribe to our channel. I'll be seeing you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much.